Armorgard is a UK manufacturer with a range of products to protect and secure tools, increase efficiency and ensure you do it safely. Material handling is one of the biggest issues on sites and is a problem that can be minimised with the right equipment. It is always important to take care of hands, as entrapment, crushing and contact with moving equipment is the greatest cause of hand injuries. As market leaders, our mission is to always put your safety first, with solutions designed to protect and minimise these issues. We're proud to be working with ISG using the Global Safety Week to raise awareness of these issues and how our products can reduce strains, aches and pains. Our latest and safest innovation comes in the form of a SafeStop deadman brake, designed by our research and development team and features in a selection of our range of manual handling products. Eliminating safety risks with just the drop of a handle, the trolley stops dead in its tracks, preventing rolling or out of control loads. We're always putting your safety first. Use the LoadAll LA1500 Pro and its unique A-frame design to safely transport materials like glass and larger panels of materials. Always load boards evenly on both sides. Use the ratchet strap to safely secure boards, minimising risk of unsecured, falling loads which could pose great risks. Extend the handle depending on how long the materials are. When doing this, always take care of the pinch points. Featuring the SafeStop deadman brake, safely use this trolley on ramps. The trolley will stop once the handle is let go. Always ensure you are controlling the trolley from the top when moving down a ramp. Use the central wheels to easily turn in circles around tight spaces. Designed to safely transport large sheets of material and plasterboard, the AdaptaKart is the safest method around as it prevents twisting your back because the boards stay horizontal as you load. Load boards onto the trolley like this. Use the ratchet straps to secure materials. Always take extra care where there may be pinch points like the handle area and the opening of where the unit tilts. Keep legs clear of the area where the board will tilt outwards. Always keep your foot on the unit when tilting as leverage. And once transported to where you need it, the trolley can be tilted horizontally using the mechanism so that when in position, working with the materials is done safely. The SafeStop deadman brake is activated when the handle is let go of, keeping it safe when travelling with a full load or across uneven surfaces. Do not exceed the weight load limit of 750 kg. Unload boards safely like this. When transporting heavy equipment or awkwardly shaped materials, use the TurnTable Truck Pro. The foldable side panels should be used to assist with loading materials and must be placed back into position once fully loaded to keep materials contained whilst in transit. Use over any terrain, including on ramps and slopes, as a SafeStop deadman brake and side panels will keep materials from rolling and keep operators safe. Do not exceed the weight load limit of 1000 kg. You can travel over any terrain with the puncture-proof wheels. When working with piping, conduit and long lengths of material, it is best practice to use the Armorgard PipeRack for storage. Load materials evenly on the arms, always on even ground, with the brakes engaged whilst doing so. Store up to 2 tons of material safely, which can be moved around the site to keep trip hazards to a minimum and organise materials. Use the handle with both hands to move when loaded to ensure your fingers aren't trapped by the load. When fully unloaded, fold down the unit like this. Use the E-Kart, part of our powered handling range, to manoeuvre loads up to 450 kg. When using this unit, ensure it is fully charged. Safely load materials onto the toe plate like this. If required, use a ratchet strap to secure loads to keep operators and others around safe. Using the forward and reverse trigger, always travel at a suitable speed for the site or terrain you're working in. Ensure to keep control of the speed using only your index finger on the trigger. Always take care and keep an eye out for obstacles in your path, walking alongside the unit if necessary. The E-Kart can travel over any terrain, but always take extra care when moving a fully loaded trolley. Switch the unit off after use. When working with plasterboard, the LoadAll LA750 Pro is popular for use in tight spaces. Use a signboard as a guide before loading the trolley. Always load on even ground and brakes in position. Materials should be safely loaded sideways with the clamps positioned out of the way like this. Clamp the boards tightly against the trolley. If loading shorter materials, always reverse the clamps like this to ensure they're fully secured. When in transit, boards should be tightly clamped in place, taking extra care of the pinch points, which are indicated with these stickers. Carefully adjust the clamps using the star screws. Extend the handle to a suitable length depending on the length of materials. When moving, use the end handle with both hands to control the load, or with a second person, use the handles towards the back to help manoeuvre. Always use a direction lock casters to avoid sideways drift of a full load. For more information on how to operate each product safely, see the separate familiarization videos. Armorgard, working with ISG to enhance safety every day.